Are you looking for high-quality doors and windows for your residential, commercial, or institutional project? Search no more. Vitrerie Brunelle is the perfect choice for your needs. We offer a wide selection of Canadian products in Montreal, including doors, windows, and custom glass products. Our personalized approach and cutting-edge technology make all the difference. Improve the appearance and functionality of your space with our custom solutions. Our products are manufactured in Canada using the best materials available on the market. Trust the unmatched Glassworks expertise of Vitrerie Brunelle for doors and windows manufacturing since 1953. Look no further. Call on Vitrerie Brunelle for all your glass installation and fabrication needs. Take advantage of our expertise of more than 60 years in the field of glassworks, as well as doors and windows manufacturing and installation. Get a free estimate now online at vitreriebrunelle.com or by calling us at 514-351-9620. Thank you for your business.